Hello teacher and hello everyone. Today I want to tell you a little about myself. My name is Kanaluna. I'm 15 years old. I am grade 10 student from Cambodia. I live in Kuk Nhu village, Presacom New, Trang district, Taka province with my family. I love living here because it is a peaceful place and people are very kind. I am studying at Sok An Presendak High School and also study English in front of Presendak Market. I love my school because my teachers are very kind and friendly and always help students. My classmates are also kind and we study together every day. In my free time, I like spending time on my phone because when I feel stressed, I like playing phone and help my mother with the housework. My favorite subject is English, even though my English is not good enough, but I try my best. I love English because English is very important and useful for my future. Even though English can be difficult sometimes, but I still try my best and practice every day, even though I can't speak fluently. About my personality, I am shy, friendly, and polite. I am a little shy at first, but when I feel comfortable, I become more confident. I always try to be polite and respect to another. In the future, I want to finish my studies and have a great job. And in the future, I want to be police. It is my dream job. I want to make my parents proud of me and live with a happy life. I believe that if I work hard, study hard, and stay possible, I can achieve my dream come true. Yes, goodbye everyone. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.